We are on the grounds again of Abu Dhabi, and join us as we run some errands for our little home.
Yep. Yalla habibi, habibi.
So, yun,
Yalla habibi.
samahan niya kami mag-grocery and magbili-bili ng mga
Anek-anek.
pangangailangan namin sa bahay.
Most
Because
of
it's weekend
it.
and we need to maximize the day off.
Because tomorrow is
Kasi bukas ay work na naman. So tara. And we are here in the back streets of Madinat Zayed,
looking for
looking for the back entrance.
tayo sa Japan.
So punta kami sa Daiso kasi meron daw siyang kailangan na
Hindi kailangan.
ano yung mousepad ba yan?
Yeah, something like that. For my
Ano?
love.
Okay. So we will check what else can we get there. Ayun lang. This is the everyday life of OFW or yung overseas Filipino worker. So, yun lang. Laban lang araw-araw. Never get tired of the routine. And
Laban. Laban bawi dyan.
pag pagod na, pahinga lang.
Oo, nagpahinga. Hindi natutulog ang balita.
So yun, nakaitim pa ako. Mainit. Pero okay lang yan.
What? Rebel.
Ha? No, it's okay. So yung yung Madinat Zayed, mga siguro meron na siyang 4 na beses na lumalabas sa mga videos ko. Kasi kami ay suki doon. Kasi yun talaga yung pangunahin na nabilihan dito. So we're looking for some Japan surplus here. And sana makita namin kasi medyo mainit.
Mainit na.
So sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung Madinat Zayed is hati sa dalawang section. Yung kaliwang section is shopping center. Yung kabila is gold center. Yung gold center, yung tatawag nila na gold souk. So doon kayo dapat bumili ng mga gold. Parang ganyan, no? Pero doon sa loob ng gold center, madaming options. And tara. Come here. We are about to make our grand entrance. Wow.
Grabe init.
Oh.
Nakakasumog.
Mainit siya pero it's okay. We have no choice.
We have choice na hindi lumabas. Pero lumabas na tayo. Huh.
Finally, some air condition.
Nasunog ang ako.
So ang sabi ng guard, yung Daiso daw ay nag-close na.
I don't think so.
I don't think so also, but we'll check here na lang sa Lulu department store kung meron yung hinahanap niyang mouse pad. So ito kami sa mga technology section. So maraming dito, maraming available na like this one, headsets, yung mga mouse din. So para siyang siyang legit na tech store. Yung mga keyboards and everything, cell phones, cameras, laptops, everything is here. Meron ding TVs. Para mga ganyan. You know. So para siyang bazaar ng technologies. Mga flat screen TVs, computer screens, may mga relo din. We are making our way to the stationery section kung saan
Maybe
located
here.
ang mga
I think
school
here.
supplies.
Meron dito lang.
Hmm?
Meron dito sigurado.
We'll check for the mousepad para hindi ka na mahirapan sa iyong work. Parang mission failed. Parang walang mousepad dito. But anyways, we will still continue with our journey today. And isama kayo sa pamamalengke. So tara, let's get out. In West Zone, let's try if they have something there. We are now going out of this building. Welcome again to the blazing sun. So ayan, we have completely wasted our time there. So ayan, sabi ni Kuya, it is already closed yung Daiso Japan. Yung parang Japan Circus nga.
Hindi na lang sila mag-close lahat.
Eh, ewan ko, that is their thing, huh? So, we're back on the streets again.
May powder. Gusto ko halo-halo ang amoy. Ang mga amoy.
Okay, we need to cross the street. So here in the UAE, sa mga hindi nakakalam kung ano yung West Zone, West Zone is the only store where you can buy pork.
Pink.
Nag-iisa lang yan dito. So wala nang ibang supermarkets or tindahan na nag-o-offer ng non-halal foods kundi ang West Zone. So it is the best friend of Filipinos if you are here in the UAE kasi nga doon ka lang makakatikim ng baboy.
So, nasa na?
So andyan siya sa may ano na yan, street na yan.
Bakit yung tinawag na West kung nasa East?
West kasi nga West Zone yung culture niya is pang West. So mostly Americans, Europeans, the nations which eat pork. So it's the westernized zone. All right?
No.
Now you know.
No.
So let's go. It's here. There. Alright guys, welcome to West Zone. Yan yung kahabaan ng building na to is the spot where you can buy pork. So let's check anong ating ulam and menu for today with Maris. Let's go. Hmm? Yes, we're going to get cart.
Okay. Wait. I'm just getting my... I'll just get my listahan.
So we have a list.
A lot.
Come here, walk here.
Okay, first,
Hmm?
with the bigas.
We need rice, so we look for that. I think I found it. It's on the front. Hmm. So while she's doing that, I will get the rice. Come with me. So here we have the good stuff. This one is good, but the price is also good. It's called jasmine rice. So it's around 40 dirhams. So tara, kunin natin yan. And we move to our next target. So sa Middle East, kapag namimili kayo ng mga vegetables or anything na green like fruits, spices, ang bilihan sa kanya, parenting eh.
Another one, mahal. Where did you put the kamatis?
Here.
This one.
Hmm?
Baka mo. Another one.
So we are sorting it out. Ha? Mabaho daw. Pero for me it's fine.
Pero laban lang.
So after namin i-plastic yung mga spices and vegetables, pinapatimbang namin yun. Tapos para makuha yung price. Alright? Okay na? Hmm? Hi bro, how are you? Ha?
Save na lang muna.
Yes.
6 pieces.
Pwede rin.
What the brown? This one. Oh good.
Tokwa is good for the health. Wow.
Saan natin ito isa ihahalo?
Dito na lang. As usual. Dito.
Dito? This one?
Yes. So yun. We got this much.
pa yan.
Kulang pa daw yan as per our manager.
Ang mura ng blueberry.
Chicken, what kind of dish? Depends on what kind of dish you want to cook.
Fish, sugar, creamer.
So ito, sinigang mix as usual sa ating mga Pilipino.
I don't like gabi. Gusto mo may gabi, mahal? Gusto mo may gabi?
It's up to you. Akin okay lang.
May gabi?
Hmm.
Ako parang nang masus.
Of course, you're the one cooking. So ito, ganito lang dito ang araw-araw para makatipid din. Kasi pag sa labas kakain palagi, talo. Egol sa ipunan.
Tuna. Ito pala ito naman. For your omelette, di ba?
Oh, meron ding century dito.
Pero yung ano lang, maliit lang kailangan natin. Wala silang ganun.
Ito, pwede na ito. 15 oh.
Tatlo na yan?
Dapat.
Too much.
So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, yung pork. Oops. Sorry.
You will be not
So,
getting.
we are now on the non-halal foods.
Get the hotdog lang.
Which
The
one?
1/4 lang. I mean the
One?
half lang. No. Jumbo?
This is smallest, right?
No, I don't like this one. This one is jumbo. Pero wag yan.
I think that's bigger. I don't know if it's jumbo.
Hotdog,
The
walang cheese.
traditional hot dog, pork hot dog.
Wait lang, gusto ko yung ganyan pero cheese to. Walang maliit na cheese.
Wala nga. Meron ding pachicharon. Gusto mo ba yun? Chicharon? Kuha kami isa. Itong cheese it chicharon. So, spams are also available here. Sausages. So, check out. Yes, plastic please. So, just like that, we are out. So, ito, conditioner ng Pilipinas.
Conditioner mo.
So, eto na kami sa kalahati ng store. Mga snacks na.
Kung papuntang Oman.
I think it was Lay's.
Lace.
So, mas mura ang Lay's dito kaysa sa mga Pringles. So, that's one advantage of being here. Lay's and anything na imported sa Pilipinas is magiging mas mura dito ng kaunti.
Fish.
So, fish.
Peanut.
So I think we are done on this store. Let's pay. Isang bila. So, ano na?
So, bigat pa ako to. Bigat yung nasa
Oo.
akin kasi.
Sige. So we are done with that errand. So ganun lang ang buhay. So we got 2 bags. So that is good for at least 1 or 2 weeks of supply, di ba? Am I right? So yun, ganun ang experience kapag ka nagba-budgeting. So before we end our day, kain muna kami ng merienda, something refreshing like a faluda or ice cream. So tara, samahan nyo kami. You're tired?
Yes, I am tired of everything.
Yeah. Para naman to kasama ka na to. But anyways, baka gutom lang yan. Tara. So hopefully doon tayo sa may shuttle ulit. Kasi maluwag kasi yung place nila doon eh. Hindi masikip and hindi kaupo sa labas. Unlike yung ibang stores na sa labas yung dining.
Net, putang na. Okay, let's shoot.
So this is Shatter Restaurant. Let's go. Gotta push this door.
Ah.
Hi bro, how are you? So meron na tayong mga friends dito. Mga kaibigan at taga-subaybay. Because we are a repeat customer here. Good. I'm fine, thank you. Yes. We sit and we order again. So ito. Pili lang kami ng snacks and refreshing treats.
Ano pa yun na nakakain? Ano pa yun na try?
Not so sure, but going to ask me. So the Lebanon?
Ano ba yun?
Lebanon shawarma. Or you want something like this?
Potato rings. I don't like it. But the price of potato lang yan. Unlike, kung pinag-igatag na.
Yeah, no. You get this?
Keep it rolling.
So guys, we are going to order this faluda, the regular faluda, and then one kulfi faluda. So yung kulfi yata, yun yata yung famous na little treat sa India na mekos. This kebab sandwich.
Bakit kailangan gawa nun?
Yes, because it's beef, you know. It's kebab. It's Arabic.
Sabi niya,
Kasi nga, it's nakakalaway.
ayun na si Kuya. Order na siya.
Sadiq. One faluda, just na regular size. One kulfi, regular size. And then, one kebab sandwich.
Can
But can
I-
you slice it in half?
No?
Chicken or mutton, which one you want?
Mutton.
Mutton.
Yeah.
With cheese, please.
And then add cheese.
And cheese.
Yeah, okay.
There's already come with cheese.
Oh, it's already
okay,
with
okay.
cheese. Okay.
Kalas.
Kalas, thank you.
So, ganun lang ang order dito. Then we wait for about 5 minutes.
For about 3 hours. Ano ba? Long hair na ako. Papakundi na ako. Kasi nga, naglalagas na yung buhok ko.
Yeah. Huwag kang ganyan kasi baka mabati mo yung buhok mo, maging ano ka din, panot ka din.
Oh my goodness.
Don't
I
be like
wanna
that to
be
yourself. Don't be like that to yourself.
So
Just be
tired.
nice. It's okay. I'm also tired, but we need to fight.
Ipasok ko bukas.
Huh?
Work bukas.
Yes, let's work tomorrow. Me too, I have work tomorrow. But it's fine.
Pero kasarap ng mango juice nila tsaka ng lemon. Ayan.
It's okay, we're going to buy our own. Alright guys, after few years of waiting, ito na yung order.
Waiting.
And it has arrived. Hi bro. Thank you so much.
This one is faluda.
Yeah, faluda.
This one is coffee.
Kulfi, right? Yeah, thank you so much.
Ang laki ng regular nila, no?
And then the kebab sandwich. Ay, buwa. Thank you.
Sarap.
Okay. So, everyday, ganito kami. Na joke lang. Hindi naman everyday. Siguro once a week. Mga ganun. So, kain muna kami. That's the regular faluda. Regular faluda here.
Bakit mas maraming fruits sa'yo?
Hmm? I don't know why is that like that, but you're going to ask me.
That's it. Hop. Let's try na.
Hmm?
Let's try this. See? Hop.
And just like that, we have finished our food and merienda. So yes, gano'n kami kalakas kumain. And that is it for today. See you.